In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your funnel in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where your funnel is being managed. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find the main navigation for setting up payments, products, and other assets connected to your funnel. From that left side menu, click on Payments. This section is where Gohighlevel handles product setup, transactions, invoices, and related payment tools. After the Payments area opens, move to the top menu and click on Products. That will take you to the product library where you can create and manage the items you want to sell through your funnel. In the top right corner, click Create Product. This opens the product creation page where you'll enter all the details needed for your funnel offer. Start by adding the product name. Make this clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple offers, upsells, or variations. Next, add the product description. This is where you explain what the product includes. Keep it accurate and easy to understand, since this information can help you stay organized and may also appear in customer-facing areas depending on how you use the product. After that, select the product collection. This helps group your products properly inside Gohighlevel, which is especially useful if you're managing several offers under one business or campaign. Then continue filling in the description section if there is an additional field available. Be sure the wording stays consistent so your product details are complete. You'll also want to add the product tax code. This step is important for keeping your payment setup aligned with tax handling requirements. If you already know the correct tax code for your product type, enter it here carefully. Next, add product media. This can include images or other visual assets associated with the product. Media helps make your product more polished and can improve how it appears when connected to your funnel pages. Then move on to pricing. Add the price details for the product exactly as you want them set up. This is one of the most important parts, so take a moment to confirm the amount, billing structure, or price format before moving on. You'll also see a section for search engine listing. This area is useful for organizing how the product may appear in search-related settings, so complete it as needed based on your setup. Once everything is filled out and reviewed, click Save. Your product will now be created and ready to use inside your Gohighlevel funnel setup.